Welcome to another LinkedIn ads breakdown video. Today I'm looking at Design Pickle and really looking at how amazingly they advertise on LinkedIn. They've been doing such a great job on LinkedIn. They're one of the best that I've seen out there, and they're absolutely killing it. For the people who don't know what Design Pickle is, it's basically the leading flat rate creative service company offering professional design custom. So it's kind of like a flat rate design. So you can you can sign up to Design Pickle and you pay them a subscription, and then they do one job at a time, and you can give them as many jobs as they can handle or as you can give them. It's a really cool service. They've been growing crazy. They also advertise on Facebook, but let's check out how they're doing it on LinkedIn. And it's really, I actually think this flow is amazing. It's one of my favorite flows. And basically, they are advertising top of funnel, straight, actually middle funnel, but they're targeting cold straight with a middle funnel offer, which is to get the lead. Rather than trying to do some kind of video and then going into some, warming up the audience, they're going straight for the lead, which in fact with LinkedIn is a really good strategy. So they're going straight for the lead and they're focusing really highly on lead gen, more like a PPC campaign. And they have really good ads. I mean, I love their copy. It's straight to the point. Why does your business need a branding guide? Learn how to create this often overlooked asset in a free step-by-step guide. Just teaching them how to do something in a step-by-step guide is amazing. And basically, so this is going for, marketing people or someone who's in the company, maybe who has been thinking we need some brand guidelines. So you can download it. If you click download, it won't let me because I'm going to the ads library. It's not being it's not being served to me. I got served it earlier and I now can't find it. But basically what happens, this is a lead generation ad. So it pops up a lead gen form like this, and it puts all my information, which I've already given LinkedIn here, takes all that info, and then I would just click submit. And this is the part which is cool. So get the lead gen. After this page, which I can't show you now because it won't let me, but it says get your ebook now. You click on that and it sends you to this landing page, which is just great. Your copy of the high growth playbook. So this is another one actually. They have a few different ones. So they have that one. They have one for agencies. It's always been difficult to grow a marketing agency. I love it. They go straight to the point. It's always been difficult to grow a marketing, and it's only getting harder. Learn how small agencies can successfully compete and scale in the digital era with our agency growth playbook. Little point hand pointing down. Really cool. Really to the point. Nice picture. It's kind of, they've turned the PDF into something that looks more valuable by like turning it into like a book. And the title is Get the Free Agency Growth Playbook. Super simple, straight to the point. This is exactly what I'm talking about. I'll come back to these ads in a minute, but this is the one that I downloaded. No, that's not it. It's one of these. Where is it? Here it is. Free playbook. So straight away, free playbook. Learn how CEOs, and then just telling us what is this playbook. Learn how CEOs of emerging companies achieve high growth and flexibility through delegation on non-core business operations. So again, it's focusing on CEOs or people who are, in charge, high-level management, and headline, free download, the high growth playbook for CEOs. It's obviously targeting CEOs here, and this is the one that I've downloaded. So if you click download, it's again a lead generation form. It fills it all out. All I have to do is click submit. The next page was get it now. And here we go. And when I click on that, it goes to this page, which is basically you can either download the playbook or you can book a demo, which is quite interesting. They've got those two call to actions. They don't really care that much whether or not you want the playbook. They're more like want you to get the demo. That's the they want to get a good action, which is the demo, and this is the lead. So they got the lead already, and now they're looking for the action. And this kind of page is really good. So it's their website. Your copy of the high growth playbooks for CEOs is ready. Okay, cool. Click below to download and learn how today's entrepreneurs profitably grow and scale the business. Or you can book a demo. Subscription, graphic design, and then it goes into like the sales pitch. What do they do? See the pricing, book a demo. And it's kind of like a little sales page, which is quite cool. It really shows the playbook in a book format, which is great. And yeah, it's a really good flow. It pushes you straight to the sales page, and you can like learn more about Design Pickle, which is fantastic. I really like their flow. They've also obviously sent me an email pushing for this as well, and I'm probably going to receive a bunch of sales emails, maybe even an SDR pushing me to try to book a demo or something like that. But I love the way Design Pickle advertisers on LinkedIn. They are literally killing it. They also have like different ads, like bottom of funnel, middle of funnel, top of funnel. So here's 69% of teams have reported an increase in the volume of their work. So again, this is a lead gen middle of funnel type of thing. This one, I guess, free hidden marketing design stressors. No. Where's like a bottom of funnel one? So here's an ebook, the ultimate guide to Design Pickle. How to get the most out of unlimited graphic design. So this is more like bottom of funnel, like for people who are like, okay, I'm kind of considering it. I would like to sign up, but let's just find out what I can get from it. What's the most I can get from it? So let's read that. So this probably is a retargeting campaign. Does it make sense for top of funnel, middle of funnel one ads? And yes, so they're really killing it. They got top of funnel, middle of funnel, and bottom of funnel ads all happening on LinkedIn. And I know from what I hear, they're doing really well on LinkedIn and other platforms, Facebook as well. So thanks so much for joining me. I'm going to be bringing out more of these videos, so definitely subscribe and hit the bell buttons. I'm bringing out just loads of LinkedIn advertising breakdowns and just as much resources as possible for you to get extremely good with LinkedIn advertising.